What's up, everybody? Welcome back. And did you know that by doing a nice paint job on the exterior of a container, you can actually add at least $3,000 in value to your container home? Well, in this video, we're gonna break down and show you 3 different ways that you can make your home more valuable. So the first thing that adds value is exterior paint. What I recommend is look at the car industry, see what paint colors are getting popular, and paint your shipping container those colors. Lately, we've been painting a lot of containers muted colors. We've done muted blues, muted greens, muted grays, and they turn out amazing. Another thing that you can do in the paint is incorporate 2 or 3 other colors that can be accent colors with unique designs on your exterior. Now let's go to the interior to see another way that you can add value. So on the interior of this unit, we want a smooth finish drywall. Now this costs a little bit more than doing a textured or an orange peel finish, but the value that it adds is significant. It gives it a nice modern look, and by painting it white, it really helps to open up the space and make it feel bright and airy. One of the benefits of doing drywall is that while you will pay a little bit more for the labor, on the back end it's gonna save you on materials, is you don't need to do trim around all of your doors and windows, but you can do drywall returns as well. I remember when I did my first container home, I had no experience in construction, and I was able to build a barn door just like this in under 2 hours and for less than $200 in materials. The hardware for a barn door can be purchased on Amazon for about $80, so it doesn't cost a lot to do, but it does add a lot of value. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. We have a few new products that I just want to share with you. The first is our DIY Container Home Starter Course. This is for anyone that is kind of in the entry-level stages of building a container home, or you're just considering building a home. It's going to equip you with all the knowledge you need to be successful as you navigate land use, permitting, and even those initial build steps. Now, for those of you that you're ready to go to that next level, we have a product called the Container Home Builder Masterclass. And in that product, we go over all the ins and outs of the actual construction process for a container home. This is going to equip you throughout that entire build process so that you can build your own. And then lastly, we have our plan sets available. So if you love our models, you're going to want to check those out as well. And all this information is available via the link in the description below. Now back to the video. All right, and here's an unspoken pro tip to add value to your unit. Instead of using a wall mount or a window AC, you're gonna wanna use a mini split AC. You can get those for low cost on Amazon for around $800. They do heating and cooling, and they're gonna last a lot longer and look a lot better than a wall mount or window unit. A mini split HVAC system is rated for 2 to 3 times this size. That means it's gonna be very simple for you to maintain temperature. So by adding a unique exterior paint, interior smooth finish drywall, a custom barn door, and even a mini split HVAC unit, in all, this can add between $5,000 to $10,000 in value to your unit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. For those of you that are looking to do your own DIY container build, check out the link in the description below for a free training that we have for you. And for those of you that are looking to buy your own container home, you can visit our website to check out all of our models at alternativeliving spaces.com. And I'll see you in the next video.